Alright, okay. Okay. So baik for tadi. So basically, bila you nak kira, when you want to calculate your ANOVA, you want to first you want to calculate this sum of squares. Okay. So YRG squared means each observation squared minus sum of observations squared divided by n is number of 20. So you get your results here. Now for sum of squared treatment, that means you want to calculate only for each treatment. So here, y dot I squared, y over ni means this is for one treatment. This is for coating type 1. Ni for coating type 1. This is for coating type 2, coating type 3, coating type 4, coating type 5. Okay? So only the observation squared. And notice that here you're dividing that not with 4 because it's 4, it's because this is 4 of the coating type 2. This is the number of observation in each coating type. Now, in this example, you've got the same observation, the same number of observation for each coating type. Sometimes you could have this one to be, for example, if you got this one to be 3, so this one need to be divided by 3. Okay? So just be careful there. Only this particular example, you've got 4. So jangan sebat semua sekali buat sama je. Okay? So you need to look at the number of observations. So once you get your sum of squares of treatment here, so SSE is just the difference between that. Okay. After you get those figures, you can put it all in your Anova table as such. So here you've got coating type treatment, sum of square of treatment is 1060. Total, note that total is always greater than the rest. Always greater than sum of squared total is always greater than sum of squared treatment and always greater than sum of squared of error. Okay, because it's the total. Remember that SST equals to SS treatment plus SS error. Okay, so what is the number of treatment, levels of treatment here? You've got 5 kan? So this is 5 minus 1. And so this one, this is 5 minus 1. This is berapa? 20 minus 1. So once you've got that, you just take the difference, so you get error. Okay. So when you do your ANOVA, you write down your hypothesis. Jangan buat ANOVA table je. So you got your ANOVA table. Okay. So you've got your hypothesis, you got your test statistics, you've got your ANOVA table, and you got your decision rule and your conclusion. Okay. So in this case, are you going to reject or not reject H naught? For this example, are you going to reject or not reject H naught? So you draw your F. Okay. You're testing at 1%. So this is 1%. 0.1. 0.1. So this point here is F. Okay, the degrees of freedom is just taking this one and that one. Okay, so F 0.0145. Okay, which is equals to what? F 0.01415. 415 dapat apa? .01415 dapat berapa kelas? Reject or not reject? 415. 0.01. Hi, are you guys here? What is F 0.01415? Are you guys with me? Are you still with me? What is F 0.01415? 4.89, okay? So this is equals to 4.89, thank you. Okay, so F test is our F test here is 16. Here is 16. So 16, it must be here. So this is 16.4349. Sorry, 349. So therefore, conclusion, are we going to reject or not reject? So conclusion, we will reject H naught. So since your F test is greater than your F0.01415, therefore you're going to reject H naught at 1% significance level. And therefore, what does it mean for the question asked, is there any difference, right? Apa soalan dia tadi? Question is asking, is there any difference? So since you're rejecting H naught, so yes, there is difference between the different coating types. Okay? Are we clear? Okay. Right. Just a quick one. Because of example. Mana Excel? I'm going to show you an example in Excel. I've got 5 more minutes here. Oh. Okay. I'm going to show example. So just one example in Excel, and then we'll continue later. Okay. You can try it on your Excel. So, okay. Can you see my Excel file? Okay, great. So I'm just writing it down as I see it from the question. You can just do it vertical wise or horizontal wise, it doesn't matter. So this is the example just now. So if you want to do Excel, Anova, you're going to use your data tab, and on your ribbon, you should see data analysis. If you don't have this data analysis on your ribbon, you can download add-in free from your Excel. Okay, you can use your add-in. Use add-in if you don't have data analysis tab. Okay, so let's do a quick one. Data analysis. Okay, when you press that, when you select data analysis, you got so many you got t-test, you got benda ni macam-macam lah kan. So you want to search for Anova. So there are 3 types of Anova here. We're going to use single factor because there's only one coating type of factor, which is the coating type. So I'm going to use single factor. Okay. I'm going to select a range of values. So I'm going to select the values here. Okay. Select my values. Group by. So it's group now. It's group not by column but by rows. In this case, it's group by rows. And I've got labels in my first column. I'm going to tick that because I start with B just now. And alpha, I want to change that. Default is 0.05 in Excel, but I'm going to change that to 0.01. And then I'm going to put that in a new worksheet file. A new worksheet file. Yep, a new worksheet file. I get something like this. Okay. I've done it before, so you can see. Sorry. Oh, okay. So this is exactly what you have done. If you were to do it manually, you will get the summary of statistics for your observations, and you have this Anova table here. Okay. Anything that you find that is something that you do not know. So you know sum of squares of between groups means it's based on treatment. Okay, so this would be your error. This would be a total. 4 because you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 levels minus 1 is 4. Total because 4 times 5 is 20 minus 1 is 19. Mean sum of squares is this one divided by this, you get that. F test is just the different the ratio between groups and within groups. And F critical is apa ni? Ni ada 4.89 kan? So this is F415 at 0.01. Okay. Right? So the one that's not familiar is this one, which we'll discuss this in the next class. But I've also written that on your slides, so you can have a look at that. What p-value is. But for now, that's it for the class today. So next class, we're going to discuss about the p-value. Okay. By the way, in exam, you might be questioned how to calculate ANOVA manually. That means you need to do the whole shebang of calculation, or you might be asked to read the table. So there will be question with regards to tables. You need to be able to read what this table means. Okay? Any questions? No. Okay, I hope it's clear again. It's very simple concept because you've brought the concept in chapter 3, you bring it to chapter 4. What if you've got more than 2 population when only for the mean, but you compare the means based on variability. Okay? Right. Please do the exercises that you have on your knee. Um, you can try the question from your book on your Excel. See if you can solve this. Solve this manually and solve using Excel. Okay. Okay. No question. I'm gonna go to the attendance. Attendance. Academic kehadiran kelas 33.